important system of the echinodermate that is different from other animals also. So it is again very important. It's a reproductive system. Reproductive system. They are male and female. They are the separate. They are the unisexual, and they are called the dioecious. Means male and female. They are the separate one. But externally we can't identify them as male or female. There is no sexual dimorphism. Externally, morphologically, you don't can recognize male and female. In earlier system, we have done the inhemal or perihemal system. We have done how the gonad is formed, which is present in the ring that is called the genital. That ring, a boral ring that contains the genital sinus. Genital sinus, that is called the genital rachis. That is called the genital rachis. I think clear. This is at the tip of genital aboral, this aboral ring, aboral emal ring. At the genital rachis, in the genital rachis, which is present in the aboral ring sinus. That aboral ring sinus at the interradial portion, they are divided into two sub-branches. At each, this aboral ring, in previous lecture you can see the aboral ring sinus which is around the anus, that contain at the end of each ring there are two branches in the interradial portion between two arms that ends by the round sinuses that is contain the gonads, that contain the gonads. Okay? That gonads that contain at the tip gonopore, from where in the interradial portion there is present gonopores. These gonopores, from where the gonads is come out of the body, so they contain 5 gonopores. One at the interradial portion, means between two arms, or each two arms they have gonopores. This is clear how the gonad is formed. They are transferred from the axial gland to the aboral ring sinus. From the aboral ring sinus there are branches that enter into that branches, and then at the end there is present the gonad, genital rachis. That genital rachis that contain the genital rachis, which is made up of aboral ring sinus, genital duct or genital sinus or liquid, which is transferred from the axial gland that contain the gonads. Now male and female, the egg which is produced by the ovary, that is brownish in color. The sperms, the gonads, in case of female, it contains ovary which produce the ovas. In case of male, in the gonads they contain the testes which produce the sperms. From gonopore, these two come out of the body. there is no genital organs. There are present only ovary in case of male, in case of female, and testes which produce the sperms in case of male. It is clear to everyone. Next, from the gonopore, these eggs and sperms, they come out of the body. Fertilization is external. So there is no reproductive organs or copulating organ. How they can copulate? So they come nearer and they throw eggs in one place and throw sperms into the another place. ठीक है? Through gonopore. Both the male and female starfish let it be, this is female, they produce the eggs. They produce million of eggs in one time. Million eggs in one time. Or they produce the sperms. They are also in, if they are in millions, they must be many million times. Clear? Why they produce so many eggs? Because उन्होंने कितने जाना है? They give it in sea water. Whether the sperm can find egg or not, they are wasted one also. So they are huge in numbers. So that the sperm can find the egg properly and can fuse and form the zygote. Fertilization is external. Now there is egg. This is the fertilized egg. After the fertilization, this shape of egg is like this. After the same day, there is start of the cleavage. There is formation of two eggs. Egg के दो part हो गए. Cleavage takes place. These two celled embryo is formed. This is clear. जिस तरह एक ਇਹਦੇ center चो cleavage होई ते jointed ray, but they are become the two like this. This is one egg, fertilized egg. There is cleavage. It is divided into two cells. Clear? This is two-celled embryo. Again, division takes place. Egg बन गए 4 cells. इस तरह 8 cell, 16 cell, 24, 32, 64. There is 8-celled embryo. Then, like this cleavage is. Its egg is microlacithal. What is this microlacithal? Which contain very less yolk. Means less yolk. Yolk is for जिस तरह आप मुर्गी का अंडा देखने ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੀਲੀ ਤੇ ਵਾਈਟ ਵਾਲੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਨਾ yolk, which give the nourishment. This is clear. 8 cells. As there is present huge number of cells. 8 to 16, 32, 64, 128, like a ball-like structure is formed. That is called the marula. What it is called? Marula. जिवें क्रिकेट की बॉल होंगी है, पूरी भरी की बॉल, छोटे छोटे सेल्स दे. After that, they are arranged in a layer and become जितने भी cell है, they arranged in a layer. ठीक है? और in the center there is one space that is called the blastocele. Blastocele is called body cavity. It's inner cavity that is also called. क्योंकि blastula है, this is marula. is called the blastula. वो जिधर सारे अंदर भी बॉल होंगे लाइक क्रिकेट बॉल अंदरों भी स्टफ्ड है ना सारी जे असं फुटबॉल देखने की होंगे बाहर नंबर ऑफ सेल्स के अंदरों एम्प्टी दैट इनर कैविटी दैट इज कॉल्ड जिथे हवा भरी होंगी आ उन्हें कहते हैं ब्लास्टोसील. दिस इज क्लियर. और दैट ब्लास्टोसील बॉडी कैविटी नेक्स्ट is the function आएगा कि why this cavity is formed or this structure is called blastula. Difference between marula and blastula you understand? On the later stages they develop number of cilia's on the outer side. On the outer side, not inner side. ठीक है, not toward the blastocoele, that is toward the sea water side. Why they develop? They can move from one place to another place. This is clear. Then on the one side, for the formation of next stage, that is the gastrula. First stage is egg, cleavages, fertilized egg, then cleavages, there is formation of marula. After that, marula, when they are arranged in one single layer, that is called the blastula. Now, next is gastrula, means 3-layered structure. Gastrula nu ki kehne a 3-layered structure. There is early 1-layer structure, that is blastula. When there it is a mass-like, then it is called marula. Now next stage, in case of next stage, there is on the lower side, there is starts the invagination. Invagination takes place on one side. This is called early gastrula because till date they don't have 3 germ layers. कड़ियाँ बन जानियाँ ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Clear? This side. In this, now you can see this is invaginated and occupy the blastocoele. देखा ना अंदर जा के इन्वेजिनेट करके ब्लास्टोसील क्यों बनी ब्लास्टोसील पता लग गया ना. क्लियर. नाउ दे ऑक्युपाई द ब्लास्टोसील एंड बिकम द अनदर लेयर and become a ectoderm. This is called the endoderm. This blue one is called endoderm. This outer layer is called the ectoderm. This is ectoderm, or here it is written endoderm. This is called blastopore. What it is called? Blastopore. Which later on form the anus. Which later on form the anus. Now there is this one is called they form the coelom. Later on, by the development, they form the coelom. Coelom is a body cavity. Clear? The blastocoele is now covered. Little bit covered होगी कि नहीं जो अंदर होगी. और there is formation of one another cavity. There is one another cavity that is called the gastrocele or archenteron. Later it form the alimentary canal of our body. Alimentary canal means move, buccal cavity, then esophagus, stomach, intestine, rectum, anus. So if it is a of टूट जाते हैं some cells they are broken down and fill this cavity and form the mesoderm. समझ आई कि यह जी इनर लेयर है from the inner layer some cells are shedded out means यहाँ टूटते हैं उन्हें तो किथों ए portion means this portion they form a such layer which is called the समझ आया मेरी गल इथों है टूट के इतनी क्लियर बना देंगे इथों है टूट के है लेयर बनाएंगे तो की बन जाएगी मेसोडर्म बाद जो भी एक्टोडर्म मेसोडर्म ते एंडोडर्म जिस तरह साडे जेडी स्किन है ये किदे तो बनदी है सारी बाल स्किन किदे तो बनदे है एक्टोडर्म क्लियर है एंडोडर्म तो की बनिया पूरी अंदर दी एलिमेंट्री कैनाल प्लस विसरल ऑर्गन्स और जेडे मसल्स है वो किधर तो बनेंगे मेसोडर्म क्लियर है सारा so they are required the 3 layers now body cavity now these pouches coelomic pouches नाम ही लिखा था ना again there is formation of pouch इतने मेसोडर्म बनाएंगे again there is formation of pouches now these pouches इतों separate होके इन्हां दे विचकार आ जाएंगे ठीक है ये की बना देगा they form the इस तरह करके इन्हां दे विचकार आ गया एक ऐसी लोग बन गई तो एक ऐसी लोग बन गई they later on form the body cavity मोटी मोटी गल याद रख लो कि ये सारी की है body cavity these two are the body cavities clear है मेन है आदि body cavity तुम देखो अपने पेट दे विच बाहर है स्किन वाली है उसके अंदर की है एलिमेंट्री कैनाल और उन्होंने विच जेड़ा स्पेस है दैट इज कॉल्ड द सीलोम क्लियर है समझ आ गया